In a piping layout where linear expansion of the pipes due to temperature changes are to be taken into account, it is necessary to install fixed point at certain areas to prevent the pipe from movement. These are important to keep the expansion calculable. With our fixed point set XS in combination with our Sikla pipe shoe, fixed points on steel beams can be easily realized. We offer 5 different types of fixing points, which can be selected according to the flange width of the beam. The application of the types is identical. We supply pre-assembled sets without loose parts. Before using the pipe shoe as a fixed point, the PA sliding plate must be removed. Slip-through protections, for example lugs, must be taken into account by the pipe manufacturer.